IT issues shouldn't slow your team down. With Rendora's 3D avatars, IT ticketing guides become clear and easy to follow, helping you submit the right tickets and get faster support. Welcome to Nestacorp's IT ticketing system training. In this quick session, we'll show you how to properly report and track technical issues using our company's IT ticketing platform. Whether it's a slow laptop, network downtime, software bugs, or access issues, submitting a ticket is the most efficient way to get support. Start by logging into the ticketing system using your company credentials. Click Create New Ticket, then fill out the form with a clear subject line and a detailed description of the problem. Be sure to include things like when the issue started, what you've tried already, and any error messages or screenshots that might help. Next, choose the appropriate category and priority level so our IT team can route your request correctly. Once submitted, you'll receive a ticket number. Keep it handy for reference. You can track the status of your request at any time. Updates and responses from IT will appear right in the ticket thread, so there's no need to send separate emails or follow-ups. Using the system helps us manage issues more efficiently, prioritize work based on urgency, and keep your team running smoothly. Thank you for using the IT ticketing system. Your cooperation makes faster, smarter support possible. If you want to learn more about how you can make your own 3D videos for free, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos on our website. We will see you in the next one.